talk about tempeh. It is the next best thing to tofu. If you haven't heard about tempeh, it is a traditional, stable food that people get their protein from in Indonesia. It is a fermented soybean product that comes in a cake, different than the soybean. It is low cost and you can find them in the health food shop, in the supermarket, in the Asian stores, no problems at all. It's quite easy to find them. Tempeh has many health benefits. It contains probiotics. Because it's fermented, it is really helpful to your gut. It also helps reduce your cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, but increase the good cholesterol. And because it has a lot of muscle building protein, it is the best friend for bodybuilders. It also contains the diabetes fighting mechanisms. It treats cancer and inflammatory diseases. Most importantly, there are many health benefits for women. For example, it's helpful for menopausal symptoms and it increases bone density. Plus, it's helpful to reduce your waistline. So how do we use it? Many ways, as you would with tofu, but more. You can slice them thinly, marinate it in the barbecue sauce and bake it and make it the vegan version bacon. Or you can cube it and just mix it with a stir fry and make it a sweet and sour veggie and tempeh. Or mix it into the salad because it's really nutty and creamy. Tempeh can be perfect to replace cheese. How about breaking it up and then add some herbs and spices and make your own vegan version meatball? But there's a caution. Don't overdo it when you just started to eat tempeh because if you have it too much, it can cause tummy ache and it could upset your estrogen level. So try it first and see how you go. I hope this helps you to explore this wonderful tempeh, quite similar to tofu but a little bit different. Do your research, and if you have any more questions, feel free to comment here and I'd be happy to answer you. So until then, be well.